This is supposed to be a mystery box, but I believe I can already guess what it is. This is most probably the Creative Sound Blaster X5. I had talked with the brand for a while, and they had told me that they will send me a unit, and I believe this is it. I do not think any other product will come with a box this big. So this is the Sound Blaster X5. I'm very much sure about that, because what else can it be? And yep, this is the Creative Sound Blaster X5, the one that I have been waiting for a while. This is the top of the line creative product from Creative creative product from Creative. So Sound Blaster X5, we get a whole bunch of output and input options. You guys can read from the box: high resolution, discrete XM, balanced Bluetooth, acoustic engine. And even though this has 4.4 mm balanced output, it is it is more for gaming than anything else. This is much of a gaming centric product. So let's cut the seal. I've been waiting for this for a while, to be precise. So high performance balanced, what we are getting a dual CS 43198 DAX oversampling, and every kind of audio file stuff too. So that is a very good thing. We do not get the latest Bluetooth, we get Bluetooth 5.0, so that is slightly on the downer side, but I do not mind having Bluetooth at all, because I'm not going to use it in Bluetooth modes. I'll be using it in the uh, wired mode. So yeah, I'm not exactly worried about that. I'll look into this booklet, but let's have a look at the thing first. I'll do a running walk around too. So this is a very good looking interface. I've been waiting for this, as I said, for a while. So power on, mic volume and stuff. As I said, this is a more gaming kind of gaming centric product. We get mic and everything, high gain, normal gain, and it has good amount of power too. We are getting around 210 mw of power at 330 ohms, so that is fairly powerful. So no issues with the power either. So here are the whole bunch of input methods. So input, output, optical in, optical out, that is kind of rare. So it is to be used with consoles, and line in, line out, everything is there. USB host, and this is the power. Oddly, this is the power you have. It has to be powered by USB-C, and I'm not exactly sure if a mobile phone can power it or not, but that is that. This is much more for PC than anything else. So this is very good. Not heavy. This is fairly lightweight, and nothing exactly crackling inside it. Let's have a look at the cables we get with it. We are getting a long USB cable, I believe. Yes, USB A to C, and a composite cable, 3.5 mm composite. So that is perfectly fine. We are not getting a lot of stuff here, because one can use it with Bluetooth too. So I'll do a walk around of this within a week or two, and this is the unboxing of Sound Blaster X5. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.